Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is on project management and we are going to look at a topic on how projects are initiated. Simple, but we need to understand what is the philosophy behind initiation of project. Let's look at the next slide. How the projects are initiated. Projects are initiated with concept and every concept has a purpose. These are two important parameters to initiate a project. It has to have concept and it has to have purpose. Similar to what I'm going to discuss with you now. A project of Al Burj Hotel in Dubai. How this was initiated. This was initiated to have a national icon for UAE. They wanted this project to be located offshore. They wanted this project to be a luxury hotel. This was concept and purpose. It was still refined in the next. The building they wanted to be of dorsal. They wanted this to be on offshore, so they wanted to be on man-made island. And for a luxury, they defined luxury that it has to be a six-star hotel in the world, or it has to be minimum six-star hotel in the world. Finally, what we got is the seven-star hotel in the world, and everybody is aware of this. I hope you find this video good, and you can subscribe my channel, spread it to your friends to get more and more on project management. Please enroll in my courses which are available on my app powered by Class Plus. Various courses which are there in front of you. The links are in the description box. Click the link and get full benefit out of it. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn and ajazkazi.com. Thank you very much.